Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Kunwar from Kunwarlab.com. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily root your Android device so you can be a super user and you can access the unlimited capability of your smartphone by adding the advanced feature which is normally not available in any other smartphones. So after rooting your device, you can access the root directory which is not possible if you are not a super user, and you can also modify the OS of your device by installing the custom root. But before doing this, be aware of the routing that it can void your warranty and your device may be bricked up. So I recommend you to do this before getting some special knowledge.
First of all, you need to check your device whether it is rooted or not. You can find the good application in the Android Play Store. Here you can find root checker. So please download this root checker and check whether your device is rooted or not. I have already downloaded, so I have opened it. Here you can see verify root status. Just click verify root. It is showing root access is not properly installed on device. So let's go to the rooting process. I'm using King Root here, so it is not available in the Google Play Store. That's why I'm going to search in the Google King Root. Okay, click the first link and just click download latest version. Wait until the download is completed. Okay, download has completed. Now it's time to install this application on your device. Just click the downloaded file. Okay, click next and install. Okay, the application is installed successfully. Now just open it. Okay, it is checking the status. Okay, it is also showing this device is not rooted. So let's try root. Okay, you can see the routing process is successfully completed. Now you can go and check whether your device is rooted or not using the root checker application. So
Okay, this is the end of this video. Hope you guys have gathered some knowledge after watching this video. I'll try to make more videos like this in future. See you in the next video. Bye bye.